Alright, it's bright and early at the Haddock household at a good 8 a.m. Taking off the hinges. I'm going to take my damn time at doing this and, yeah, slowly repaint everything you see in here. If you see it, it's going to probably get paint and touch up and all sorts of good stuff. But this is the hinge that I just removed. Oh, wait, no it's not. Ha! It's on the other side. This is the hinge I just removed. So, yeah, gonna clean it up with the wire brush and get some paint on it. Well, while using the wire wheel, I managed to clean my hand as well. At least it wasn't the hand with the tattoos. Yeah, sucks. Oh well. Look at this piece. Got it nice and clean. Good enough of liking to my standards to get some paint on it. Wipe it all down with the towel and see you when I'm painting it. When you got a boo-boo like this, you know how to fix it. When you're in the garage, you can see it's already getting dirt and shit in it. You take a roll of tape like this, put it around the area, make sure that there's dog hair and stuff in it, just like this. And then we wrap it around. And you know, the more fuzz, the better that you get in there. You know, it's always good for the wound. And voila, wound no more. Okay, I've let my paint can sit out here and warm up in the sun for about 20 minutes to get it a little bit warmer than the ambient air around it. So now I think we're ready to go paint our parts. Start off with a little misting just to get it tacky. Oh shit, it is kind of windy. Can was getting out of paint, so I kind of have to tip it at a different angle, but looks like it's covering pretty well. Alright, looks like I got it pretty evenly. Now we'll just let that sit. Oh, one more spot. I lied. Okay. Now we'll let that sit for about 15 minutes. Give it another coat. For those of you that think I'm probably not using primer, well, you would be wrong. I've been using this stuff for the last 2 years, and it seems to hold on pretty good. I got a couple chairs out back that I spray painted with them, and they're still running very strong. Setting them all the time, and minimal wear. So out of all the paints I've tried over the years, this is definitely one of the best brands that come in a can. Not so great for hydro dipping though. Well, that's most spray paints. Okay guys, this is after the third coat. I figured I would show you. Go ahead and do the bolts too. So, I mean, this is a restoration. We want these things to last and look good. So they got sanded, sprayed. This is right after the third coat. Not sure if I'm going to spray clear on it. Probably won't. It's not like I'm getting these things powder coated or anything. But yep, that's it so far. Another quick note, maybe you knew this, maybe you didn't, I sure as hell didn't. But the bolts, they seem to have their own little symbols on them to let you know what they are. Like the radiator support bolt looks like that. And this one looks like this. If we go over here, you'll notice that the hinge bolts have a little C on them. All of them do. So that's kind of cool. Thought I'd share that with you. Alright guys, I went ahead and took those two bolts out, and the little support piece that separates the radiators there, that way, you know, they have that gap in between them. Left it here on this side. I'm gonna do them one at a time so I don't mix things up, but yeah, I think I'm gonna go bright red on that, and then probably hydro jet this big bar and some custom graphic or something. We'll see. Got this cleaned up to my liking. Wire wheel and soap and water on it to get the grease off, and yeah, now we're gonna soak it. I even went as far as to pull out the little rubber pieces. We're even gonna be replacing these things, so yeah, fun stuff. And then after I paint this, I'm wrapping up for the day because I feel like shit. Alright, third coat of paint done on the support bracket. Bolts all painted red too. And yeah, I think that will conclude my business day. Y'all have a good one. Bye.